Did you know you can grow an endless supply of fresh herbs for free? No seeds, no fancy equipment, just a snip, a glass of water, and a little patience. Today, I'm spilling the secrets on how to propagate herbs from cuttings like a pro. Stick around to learn expert tricks that'll have your kitchen overflowing with basil, mint, and more. If you're excited to grow your own food, smash that like button and subscribe for more green goodness. Why cuttings? Herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano, and mint are practically begging to be cloned. When you snip a healthy stem, it's packed with growth hormones ready to sprout roots. It's like nature's cheat code, faster than seeds and 100% identical to the parent plant. Pro tip, this works best with soft-stemmed herbs like basil or woody ones like rosemary. Just avoid anything too old or brittle. Curious which herbs you can try this with? Pretty much anything you've got growing already. Here's how to do it. Choose your cutting. Grab a 4 to 6 inch stem from a healthy plant. Look for new growth, no flowers. Use sharp, clean scissors. Dull blades crush the stem and slow rooting. Prep it. Snip just below a node, that little bump where leaves grow. Strip off the bottom leaves, leaving 2 to 4 at the top. Why? Exposed nodes are root central. Root it. 2 options, water or soil. Water's great for beginners. Pop it in a clear glass, change the water every couple days, and watch roots sprout in 1 to 3 weeks. Soil's faster for woody herbs. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional but clutch, then plant in moist, well-draining mix. Pro tip. Keep cuttings out of direct sun at first. Bright indirect light is your sweet spot, and don't overwater, soggy stems rot. What if it flops? Yellow leaves mean too much sun. No roots after a month? Try a fresher cutting or a splash of rooting hormone. Gardeners swear by honey as a natural alternative. For a boost, mist the leaves daily to mimic greenhouse vibes. Curious about speed? Basil roots in as little as 7 days, while rosemary might take 4 weeks. Patience pays off. Oh, and never use tap water with heavy chlorine. Let it sit overnight first. And there you have it, your ticket to free herbs forever. Plant those rooted cuttings in pots or your garden, and soon you'll be the neighborhood herb wizard. Which herb are you propagating first? Drop it in the comments, I'm dying to know. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, share it with your plant-loving friends, and subscribe for more tips to grow like a pro. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.